In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed video in a task on ClickUp. We'll be doing this directly inside ClickUp, and the process is very simple once you know where to click. This is especially useful if you want to share a recording, walkthrough, tutorial, or any other video link right inside a task, so your teammates can view it without hunting through messages or separate documents. To begin, start from your home workspace and go to My Tasks. This is where you can quickly access the tasks assigned to you or the items you're currently working on. If you already know which task needs the video, this will help you get there faster. Once you're in My Tasks, find the specific task where you want to add the video link. Take a moment here to make sure you open the correct task, especially if you're managing multiple items with similar names. Opening the right task from the start helps avoid confusion later. After you're inside the task, go to the comment area or the place where you want to insert the video link. Then, paste the video link by pressing Ctrl and V on your keyboard. If you prefer, you can also right-click and choose Paste. As soon as the link is inserted, ClickUp will usually recognize it and give you a few display options. At this point, you'll be able to choose between inline link, preview, or URL. Inline link is the best option if you want the link to appear neatly within your text without taking up much space. Preview is useful when you want the video to display in a more visual format, making it easier for someone to identify and open it right away. URL will show the full web address as plain text, which can be helpful if you want the exact link to remain visible. Choose the format that works best for the way you want your comment to look. Once you've selected your preferred option, you can go ahead and send the comment with the video link included. This will place the link directly inside the task, making it easy for anyone viewing that task to access the video and stay aligned on the work. And that's it. You've successfully added a video link to a ClickUp task. It's a quick feature, but it can make communication much clearer, especially when a video explains something faster than text alone. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.